Today I'm going to make a chocolate fruit dip. First in my bowl I have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Next I'm adding 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then I'm adding 1 cup of marshmallow fluff. Next I'm going to use a hand mixer to mix this up. Now that this is mixed up, I'm going to add 1/2 container or 4 ounces of whipped topping. Next I'm adding 1/3 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then I'm going to mix this up until it's combined. Next I'm going to add the chocolate dip into this watermelon bowl. Then I'm going to add some mini chocolate chips on top. I served the dip with some fresh cut up fruit.